Yo, I'm going to teach you how to view saved passwords in the Brave browser. If you've ever saved a password in your Brave browser and found yourself needing to look it up, you're in the right place. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to access and reveal your saved passwords, ensuring you never have to worry about forgetting them again. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by opening up the Brave browser on your computer. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the menu, you'll see a list of options appear. You want to find and click on the one labeled Settings. This will open up the Settings page in a new tab or window, providing you with access to various customizable features and preferences within Brave. Now that you're in the settings, turn your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here, you'll see a range of categories related to your browser settings. Click on the section named Autofill and Passwords. This is where you'll manage your passwords and autofill settings. Once you've clicked Autofill and Passwords, you'll notice an option labeled Passwords. Selecting this will take you to a page with all the passwords that have been saved by the Brave browser. You'll find a nice, clear list right there under Saved Passwords. Each entry in this list corresponds to a website where you have saved login credentials, along with the username associated with it. For instance, you might see an entry like youtube.com paired with your saved username. Let's proceed to reveal a password from this list. Locate the specific login you need the password for and glance to the right of it. You'll see a little eye icon, sometimes referred to as the reveal password icon. When you click on this eye icon, Brave will prompt you to confirm your identity for security reasons. Depending on your system, you might need to enter your computer password or use Windows Hello or Mac's Touch ID. After successfully confirming your identity, the password will be displayed in plain text for you to view. It's important to remember to handle this information carefully to maintain your security and privacy. And there you have it. You've now expertly navigated through the process of viewing a safe password in Brave. With this knowledge, you can retrieve your passwords whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Brave and other software.